welcome to HexaCorp. In today's session, we will see about SPFx client-side Webpart development process in detail. Prerequisites that you will have to check on before starting with SPFx Webpart development. Install Node.js version 10x, install Yeoman SharePoint generator, and gulp. Now let's get into the steps for creating SPFx Webpart. Install Yeoman SharePoint generator, build Webpart code, test the Webpart in your local workbench using gulp serve. Build deployment package using gulp package solution. Deploy the Webpart package to SharePoint site through app catalog. Check if the SPFx Webpart is available on both classic and modern SharePoint pages. Let's see a demo of creating a simple Hello World Webpart using SPFx. Create a new project directory using the command mdlab1-hello world webpart. Go to the project directory using cdlab1-hello world webpart. Create a new Hello World Webpart by running the Yeoman SharePoint generator. Give the solution name as Hello World-Webpart and choose target components as SharePoint Online only. Use current folder to place the project files. Choose No for deploying the solution at tenant level option. Choose No for Access Web API in the tenant option. Choose client-side component as Webpart. Provide a name and description for the Webpart. Choose specific framework as No JavaScript framework. Use gulp trust dev cert command to generate local trust certificate. Use the code space command to open the Webpart project in Visual Studio Code. The following are the major folders that will be used in creation of SPFx Webpart. Node modules. It stores JavaScript file dependencies, contains JavaScript modules installed by Node.js. Config. It contains JSON configuration files for build process. Dist. Contains final distribution files and it includes JavaScript bundle file. SRC. Contains the Webpart TypeScript source code. LIB. This folder contains the TypeScript files that are compiled into JavaScript which can be bundled and distributed. SharePoint. Maintains .sppkj file for deploying to app catalog site. Run the gulp serve command to open the Webpart in local workbench. To add the Hello World Webpart to a page, select the add icon. This opens the toolbox where you can see a list of Webparts available. The list will include Hello World Webpart as well other Webparts available in your development environment. Select Hello World to add the Webpart to a page. Select the pencil icon on the far left of the Webpart to reveal the Webpart property pane. Modify the text in the description field. The text will be displayed in the Webpart. Let us now see the steps involved in deploying the SPFx Webpart to a SharePoint site. Execute gulp clean command and clean the SharePoint folders. Execute gulp build command to rebuild the solution. Execute gulp bundle --ship command to create solution bundle. Execute gulp package solution --ship to create SPFx Webpart package file. Verify if the .sppkg file is created in the SharePoint folder in your local system. Go to App Catalog site in your SharePoint Online tenant. Go to Apps for SharePoint. Upload the .sppkg file created in your local system to the App Catalog. Click the Deploy button in the pop-up that shows up after the package is uploaded to App Catalog. If the pop-up doesn't show up, then you can select the solution package and click the Deploy button from the ribbon. Go to the site where you want to add the SPFx Webpart. Go to Site Contents and select Add on App option to go to App Listing. Select the Hello World SPFx Webpart to add the Webpart to the site. Now the SPFx web part will be available in the site. Go to the web page where you want to add the SPFx web part. To add Hello World web part to a page, select the add icon. This opens toolbox where you can see a list of web parts available. The list will include Hello World web part as well as other web parts available in your site. Select Hello World to add the web part to the page. Click the Publish button in top right section of the page to publish the page. Now the Hello World SPFx web part will be available on the SharePoint page. Thank you all. Hope the session on SPFx client-side web part development process was informative. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel for further training sessions.